Hi, I'm Kat Doyle from Tech Savvy Tigers, and today I want to talk to you about how to batch your client calls. So all the productivity experts agree that if you want to get more stuff done, you need to stop multitasking and you need to just focus on one thing at once. So time blocking is a way of achieving that. And I'm going to show you today how to set that up in Acuity Scheduling. So I'm just going to share my screen so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to log into my Acuity account. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to decide on what hours you want to have those client calls and just jot down a little schedule for yourself and then log into your Acuity, go into business settings and under availability here, make sure I have regular hours every week, checkbox checked. And then just simply put in the hours that you've decided. So I recommend that you really use a range here because that will allow Acuity to try and block things together in the most efficient way. So you have like different length appointments and things like that. So that's a really good thing to do. Just put in a range rather than specific appointment start times. And I've blocked out time every day of the week. And on Wednesdays, I've actually put in 2 working blocks as well. So you can do that as well. So you can just separate them there with a collar, you can see here. And when you're done, hit Save Regular Hours. Okay, so that's our general appointment diary set up. And I just want to show you how that looks. So if I go to my scheduler, and what we can see here, if we go down, we might choose a free 15-minute chat. And it's going to show me all those times that I could possibly have one of those. Let's say we're going for a longer session, one of our Acuity strategy sessions. You'll see that the times change because that's a longer appointment and Acuity is working with that because we put in a time range. Okay, now let's take this a step further. Say we just want to do our discovery calls, say maybe on Thursday afternoons and not at the regular times. I'm just going to show you how to do that now. So what you need to do is you need to go again into business settings availability and set different hours for certain appointment types. So let's just do that. We're going to find our discovery call. Mine's called a free 15-minute chat. And I'm just going to click this set hours for this type button down here. So once I do that, that's basically then going to create a new calendar just for those particular type of appointments. So I want to have mine on Thursday afternoon. So let's close up all the other days. And Thursday afternoon, we might do 12 till 2. And close Friday as well. So just going to save that. And now if I go back to my appointment calendar, I can just show you how that works. So if I'm booking a free 15-minute chat, it's giving me appointments on a Thursday, which is what we wanted. So that's fantastic. But any other type of appointment, then it's using the other availability that we set up. So that's great. So now any clients who book in are all going to book in within those time blocks that we've set up. So let me just stop sharing and we'll just summarize up. So I've basically given you 3 steps to setting up time blocking your client calls. First of all, you need to decide on your time blocks. Secondly, you need to set your overall availability using a range of hours. And then thirdly, if you want to take it further, you can set different availability for different appointment types. So I really hope that that's been helpful for you today. And if you want more Acuity tips, then you can download a hacks workbook, which is on our website, techsavvytigers.com. If you go to freebies, then you'll see the Acuity hacks in there. Okay, so if you have any questions as well, please just let me know. I'll be very happy to answer them. So I hope you have a great day today, and I hope you found this helpful.